So for A, right, we have an example here. The area of the first triangle here, the base is going to be 8. Okay, multiply that by the height, which is 3, and divide this by 2. Right, that's 24 divided by 2, which is exactly 12. Okay, so this is 12 centimeters squared. And the area of the second triangle here is going to be 6 times 4 divided by 2. Here we get 24 divided by 2, which is again exactly 12 centimeters squared. Okay, so what about here? Right, the area of the second triangle, these two triangles should have an area of 18 centimeters squared. So if this is 9, then we have the base being 9 multiplied by the height being 4 divided by 2. Right, 9 times 4, you end up getting 36 divided by 2, which gives us 18 centimeters squared. Okay, so this should be area 3. And finally, this fourth triangle down here, we have a base of 6 and a height of 6. So that's 6 times 6 divided by 2. Again, we get 36 divided by 2, which gives us 18 centimeters squared.